Hi everyone, welcome. Tonight is a Wednesday night, I believe.
Wednesday night.
And we've got proximity already. And the phone is nowhere near us.
2nd of October.
Yeah, 2nd of October, guys. We are starting the evening with an area in Hassocks. I'll let Steve tell you.
It's sort of Woodmancote, Hassocks, Henfield sort of area. It's a place called Woods Mill, and it's a nature reserve where there used to be an old mill dating back into the 1800s. We are just going to see if we can pick it up from here. There is also a tunnel which I would like to take Paul down to, deeper into the woodland.
Now, guys, as soon as we pulled up here, I picked up on a Victorian woman. Seems to be dressed in like a maid's uniform, and Steve picked up on a Victorian knight. Yeah,
I want to say a green knight, but it could have been a blue knight or a green knight. Just it's sort of a pale blue green.
Yeah, but I seem to be picking up on the sadness
There's
side
a lot
of it.
Sorrow and sadness up here.
Like further up the road there, we came through an area where there was so much different feelings.
Come down from...
How did you get here?
We came here by car tonight.
So anyway guys, we're going to flip you around and start recording this nature reserve. See what we can pick up on the camera. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Be right back. Here we go guys.
So a lot of these bridges here are actually named bridges. So the McLennan Bridge.
McLennan Bridge, yeah.
Which is right by the car park.
The sign there, Woods Mill. See, I can't believe I've not done this area. And I thought I'd covered most of Sussex. East Sussex. It's very spongy, isn't it, this bridge?
Yeah. So just up here, Paul.
Greetings.
Hi.
Just up here we've
someone
got...
lived there?
No, I don't think they live there. I think it's a school, like a forest school.
Okay. So I wonder if the maid worked somewhere around here. The one I picked up on.
That's my phone. This.
Ah. Yeah, okay.
There is a blue light in that top window.
Yeah, probably a camera. Night vision. Do you feel that?
Yeah, it's like pins and needles across my face. So they do a lot of forest school stuff in here.
Possessed.
Who? Right, now guys, Teresa sent me a few...
Please go.
Why? We just arrived.
Missing.
I was just about to mention that.
Yeah.
Teresa sent me loads of links about missing kids up here. A man was run over the side of a road and left for dead in bushes. Women have gone missing up here. Dead bodies have been found in the woodlands and along the road. It's a pretty violent area.
So I think the old mill is over the back here somewhere, I think.
Right, okay.
The actual mill. There's an area just round the back here somewhere. I think it's actually through here. There's a bit of a tunnel and a tombstone.
Well, that goes left down there.
Yeah, so this is...
Just over the bridge here.
Yeah, I think that's on the wrong side of the river bit.
Oh, this one, look, another spongy bridge. Feels really weird, doesn't it?
That takes you down towards some pond dipping areas.
Okay.
Got a pond dipping area that way, the one just over the back there. There's an old pond dipping around the back this side as well.
You was about to say Victorian.
Yeah. I don't know why I was going to say Victorian.
Yeah,
Just watch your foot because it's quite
muddy.
and slippery down here. But yeah, we've got one of the pond dips in here.
Okay, well, I'm picking up something here.
Can you repeat?
Can I repeat what? Oh wow, do you feel that?
I feel like I'm drowning.
Yeah, something happened to someone here. As soon as that car goes, I can hear some voices on the air. Can you speak again? My left hand is trembling. I'm using a device called a camera. It's actually a phone. It's got an app called GhostTube. It listens for what people say, spirits. Supposedly, if you say something, it should repeat what you say. But you must say it slowly and...
Not likely.
Okay.
Are you here, Arthur? Arthur?
You know, I'm getting the feeling that someone was pushed.
I thought his name was Arthur. Can you give me some more details?
When I stand near the edge, it feels like I'm being pushed.
Yeah, that's why I've moved away from the edge, because
Was you pushed in the water?
I feel like the guy that I'm getting called Arthur was a child.
He runs around here.
Yeah, he does. He runs up and down here.
Buried near you.
Was you buried here, Arthur?
Was you buried round here? Have you never been found? Oh wow, my head hurts.
This used to be open here. You used to be able to come through here.
Yeah, they fenced it off.
How old were you, Arthur?
Who killed you?
Was it an accident?
My left hand is really trembling.
I feel it was an accident. My brother. Did your brother push you by accident? It's this way.
It's not easy.
What's not easy? To communicate through this?
Right here.
Oh, I just stood in a nice
Right
sloshy
here in
bit
this
then.
area.
He runs round here.
He runs around here. He runs this whole area here. William, is that your brother? Yeah.
I'm trying not to tread in all the mud because I don't want to put it in your car.
I don't know about that, mate. I thought William was his brother. But
Guys, anything you may hear, please type it down below. And please timestamp as well so I can click on the link and then it'll take me straight to it. There's definitely more than meets the eye here.
so clicking you can hear is me putting this abacus in my pocket.
Oh wow.
This is where the night is.
Throat.
Throat. Is that how you were killed?
Drawn in this direction.
Did someone take their life here? My left hand is still trembling. It's not that cold.
I'm drawn in this direction.
Yeah.
I mean, I've come here a
Cobblestones.
couple of times, but I've never actually found any of the tunnels that are supposed to be here. Mind you, I've usually got the children with me, so I'm trying to keep them on a tight rein.
Any souls that reside here, my name is Paul. I brought Steve with me.
Danger.
Why?
Are we in danger? I don't feel like I'm in danger.
I communicate with souls to try and find out their history, their story. And I quite often pray to help.
So that's the tunnels there, look. There's a tunnel down there.
Oh, okay. So you need a wetsuit to get under there. Yeah, my mate Dave would go under there.
Big tunnel there. Goes right round through. Any souls or spirits here that would like to come forward, come and make a noise in the tunnel for us? If you make a splashing noise in the water, or maybe use your voice in the tunnel to be heard. Got a lot of bugs around, isn't it?
Yeah, dragonflies. Just slipped on a root.
Just don't fall in the water pool, otherwise it'll be you making a splashing noise. And it's a long walk back for you. I can see the other end of that tunnel there.
I think lots of kids coming.
16.
16.
I wonder whether he's returning the question I asked him earlier of how old he was.
Or Arthur.
Yeah. Arthur's right here with us, he's playing around us. I mean, I just heard running behind me. I thought I was caught up onto it, but...
Yeah, there's lots of reeds everywhere. And we've got a spider web right across the forehead.
It's almost like I just heard running across the grass behind me.
Any rustling you might hear is probably our jackets. Can anybody shout their name in here for us to hear? Or if you need help, say help. I know you're here, you don't have to be nervous. We're not evil.
Kneel.
Kneel to who?
Is that kneel as in kneel down?
Yeah. There's only one being I kneel to.
I'm wondering whether it's because I was knelt down at the edge of that tunnel.
Yeah.
We knelt down to have a look through the tunnel, didn't we?
Follow you.
Are you following us? I keep looking behind me because I keep thinking I've got something right behind me.
Would you like to follow us back to the windmill?
I think it was a water mill.
Watermill.
I think so.
Okay.
I should have really
Ornament.
Ornament.
should have really listened in school when they brought us up. I would have.
Weird though, isn't it? There's little cobblestones on the floor.
They don't really go anywhere.
Yeah.
But are they?
Sort
It's a tree maybe, are they?
Go off in all different directions.
They sort of don't really serve a purpose either.
Which way do we come in?
We came in that way. It does do a big loop, but it's quite a way out.
Okay. I can always make cuts, can't I, if it gets too long?
Yeah, true.
Any and all souls that may reside here, my name is Paul, this is Steve. We come seeking communication with you.
Bless.
Would you like us to bless the land before we go? We're getting a lot of...
Look at that.
I think that was man-made though.
Yeah.
Certainly a portal that I don't want to be walking through.
Covered in bugs.
Be quiet.
Okay.
Are you resting here?
Do you like the peace?
Is it because it's peaceful here?
I wonder why we had that proximity alarm going off at the beginning. And then it just stopped, didn't it?
Big old drop down there, isn't it?
Yeah.
I do a lot of stuff for scouts and stuff here. My boy come up here for the scout.
Where are we going?
That's a dead end there.
Right.
Change the path, left or right?
Well, right is going to be a bit muddy, isn't it?
I think it's going to be about the same either way.
I can't talk.
You can, you just did. If that was you. We need names, souls. What was your name when you was alive? Did you have a human body?
Below.
What, you're below ground?
He's buried here.
Are you part of the Nephilim? Are you a fallen one? Are you a normal soul awaiting judgment? Did you trust and believe in religion when you was alive? Whom did you believe in?
Let's come round here. Just got
Got a big step
cold
there.
spell right down my back.
You got what?
Like a real cold sensation right down the middle of my back.
There's sopping wet there. The deeper you go, the more heavier it gets.
Yeah, it's what you feel. Yeah. I feel like back here that somebody was taken up here and then for some whatever reason stayed here.
Yeah. Do you know of our Creator?
Picking up on a lady's name, Jane.
wonder if that could be the maid or the cleaner, whatever she was.
Sorry, Paul, couldn't hear.
So I wonder if that could have been the maid or the cleaner.
Possible.
Bless.
You want me to pray? Oh wow, look at that. That is mud. This is how you can tell winter's coming. Another blocked off pathway.
Is that where the scouts did it when the forest school goes, maybe?
Evil.
Is it?
Is it evil up there? Is
Is
that
why,
where evil things have happened?
is that why it's fenced off? Should we go over there?
There's only a small bit of road there.
Watch them tremble in fear.
What James saying to me, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. What will happen, Jane, if we do it? Is there an evil entity up there? Maybe she's going.
Come forward, whoever you are.
Jane, can you tell me the evil person's name? Is that a surname? Jackson? Getting Jackson. She's saying Jackson, but I don't know if it's a surname or a first name.
What way are we supposed to be going? That way?
I'm tempted to head up.
What, that way?
Yeah, you can get round this little corner here, it's not too bad. Straight up there. Jackson, we're going to come and talk to you.
Right, sorry guys, I'm just going to try and get under here.
45.
45. Was that the year? Or your age? We're coming in.
That's him. That's him.
We're coming in.
Jackson, were you at age 45? Well, totally different up here, isn't it?
Yeah. Why are you hiding? What are you ashamed of? I can sense shame.
Please leave.
No.
We're not leaving until you give us answers.
I want you to speak to me.
Did you mean to do it?
Why are you here? Do you gain pleasure being here?
Or are you stuck here because of the crimes you committed here? Because it wasn't just one, was it?
I'm just
4
gonna
other women here, wasn't there?
change over hands, guys. I'll stop my left hand shaking.
4 other women you took the lives of here.
Was the maid one of them? The one dressed in Victorian clothing? Oh, we started the dogs off now. I'm going to come over to where I think you are.
It was in here. We've come up here and it's gone in here.
Huh?
Is it here?
Daughter.
Did someone hurt your daughter? The spirits are definitely active because the dogs have started.
It was the maid and the daughter. Jane, were you the maid? Yes. So Jane was the maid. Did this ruthless man take yours and your daughter's life?
You don't like the fact that I can feel you, do you? I can sense you around here.
Something significant about that tree there, Paul.
Which one? The big one?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure how you feel about it? Oh, it's got a spider web right across the eyeballs there.
Definitely something with that tree there, Paul.
Yeah, they've even cut a branch off, haven't they, there?
Yeah.
Did someone take their life here?
You know what, Paul, I feel it's him took his life here after committing the crimes he felt ashamed and guilt and took his own life here.
So you're taking justice into your own hands. Just to save anybody else judging you. Yeah, look, random saucepan. Anyone need a saucepan? Is there someone behind this gate? Wow, I've got one seriously dreading feeling. Did someone come through here and never returned? Speak to me, please. Oh, I just got the me. That doesn't help much. What's your name? Did you get lost in here? I'm going to leave this gate open so you can come with us. Okay? Well, where are we going? Back out again?
Yeah, well, if we head back down the way we came in, it's up to you if you want to turn right and continue the loop. We'll go back down towards the car park and the mill.
Okay guys, I'm going to pause you here just so you don't get bored, and should anything come through the ghost tube, because I'll leave it on, I'll let you know. Okay guys, we've come back to, what did you say this was? Not a school?
I think it's the forest school area.
We're probably on camera. And light. Oh, another light.
It's killing lights everywhere, isn't it?
Yeah. They won't stick around here too long. Hopefully we'll...
No, they're not really good.
Hopefully we'll pick up some whispers from there. I've already had help me. Left here then.
Yeah, we've got another pathway goes down that way. We've got a bit there.
Cold.
Cold, yes it is cold.
We've got a bit of EMF. So there is a water pump thing apparently.
Well, I wouldn't like to walk down them in the wet. Oh wow, the red lining. Like I said in the beginning, I am surprised but I've not noticed this place before. And when Teresa sent me all them links, like what's happened up here, I've definitely got to come back here at some point and cover a lot more of the area, especially along the main road where dead bodies have been found in bushes.
So we've got this one here, Paul. This dates back sometime.
Okay, it's an old, what do they call them?
Water gate thing.
Yeah, water gates. It's all dried up now though.
Did you man these water gates? Did you work here? Did you work on the mill?
Start.
Start what?
Would you like us to stay here for a little while and talk to you?
So I'm not picking up anything negative here or anything.
No, I'm picking up on quite an old chap. Could you tell me your name?
It's got a very, very fresh smell as well, like fresh flowers.
Worried.
What are you worried about? We're quite safe here.
It's quite peaceful here.
Do you look after this area?
I don't feel that pastime. I feel that sort of our generation, so maybe they work for the National Trust.
Was you a groundsman? Did you love this area? Was you proud of your county?
Where am I?
Well, if you're here, you're still in the same place. We're in the nature reserve.
Well, you may have come here to visit or worked here.
How many here? Generational souls, all different time periods.
Picking up with the name John. That's quite a generic name, but
John,
quite clear.
was you the groundsman? Or did you work this, what would have been a lock or a river? Anybody? How far does this go?
Quite a way.
Oh, let's not walk that way then. We'll be recording forever.
Footsteps behind me.
I'm definitely going to come back here though. I feel I need to return here. There's a few stories to be told here.
Haunt.
You haunt the area. I don't mean,
I can hear like a dripping water.
I don't think you mean it maliciously though, do you? Sorry guys, I didn't put my teeth in.
Just back here, it sounds like there's dripping water, but there's no live water feeds here.
Yeah.
I don't know if you'll pick that up on camera or not.
Did you keep getting that fresh smell as well? That
Yeah, like
country.
there's a lot of here as well.
Oh yeah?
In this area where I said I could hear the water dripping, I'm now getting a bit of EMF.
I wonder if there was like a railroad along here at some point as well.
I think that was, I don't know to be honest, haven't really I haven't researched the whole area.
What was that? Someone just spoke behind us.
So I hope you got it on camera, but I sort of heard a mild conversation going on behind us.
Okay, we're going to go.
You're going to walk us out of here?
If you need prayer, I need you to say it now.
All of a sudden the wind's picked up.
Yeah, exactly. Has someone arrived here to possibly help you? Are you awaiting my ascension prayer?
Is that you, John, that's making these lights go? If it is, can you make them go to red for me?
Oh guys, what do you think?
Shot up to red again, Paul.
What's that random blue light in the bushes there? You see that?
Might be there's a wooden cabin there somewhere.
Oh, okay.
There's a small wooden shed there which they do a lot of the
Oh yeah, I see it, yeah.
White.
White.
I think it was a white light, wasn't it? I think that's down that dodgy sections of
Looked like a blue LED light.
Yeah, this herd's happening in this bush and then all of a sudden
Purgatory.
Is that where you feel you are? Because you are definitely still on the earth. Are you stuck in some sort of realm, the other side of the veil, so you can't interact with us?
so around here, Paul, I'm picking up children.
From that cabin area?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard you.
Was there somebody behind you just then?
Yeah. Sounds like the woman again.
Yeah, I sort of, I've got a woman's whimper. There's a lot of EMF here.
Dislike.
What do you dislike? The fact that we're here, or the fact that we can hear you? The only reason that you wouldn't like us to hear you is because you're possibly evil. Then I can understand the fact that you would like to stay in the shadows, suffocating in your own remorse.
You got to love a mirror in the woods. Nothing worse than it.
Oh, mirror.
Mirror in the woods. Lovely.
This cabin doesn't feel very nice, does it?
No. It's almost like there's a vegetable patch right at the front.
What is that, a bed?
Yeah, it is.
Why would there be a bed here? Oh look, someone's made a
Flower bed.
flower bed, yeah. It doesn't feel nice here at all.
Got a lot of EMF stuff. This whole area, I've been getting a lot of EMF coming through.
Souls, what's wrong with that cabin?
Is it because it wasn't here before? Is it new? Doesn't look new, does
Damaged.
Damaged? Doesn't look damaged. That's weird.
So the tapping you can hear from the Mega.
Yeah.
Just from the pockets.
Okay guys, I'm going to pause you a second till we get back outside. Okay guys, this is the old toilet blocks. It just came through ghost tube choked.
Up here.
Up here?
Getting a lot of air mess here as well.
What do you mean up here?
Are you up here in the car park? Have you come up here with us? Or is there more for us to see up here than...
Get a lot of negativity up here, the car park area. Did something happen in this car park?
I think that might have been an owl I just heard.
Yeah, it's an owl. They say that's a protection thing, if you hear an owl.
Watching you.
You're watching us, are you?
So that's a school area again. Can we go through this too? I think that's the other path that leads down to the school. It's open, so
So dogs aren't permitted.
I better stay here for...
Feels like someone's here. A living person.
the rangers here maybe.
Yeah, I'm being told not to go down there.
Yeah, okay, probably on something.
Barbara.
Hi Barbara.
Or is it Barbara that's here? The gate's there, we couldn't go down there.
Yeah. What about that pathway then? That looks quite long down there.
I think that just goes down to the other end of that little school bit.
Oh, okay. Right, souls.
The EMFs have all dropped off for a minute. I think that's just a driveway down to where we were just... Well, I think should we wrap it up here and we'll do a different one?
Yeah. Any and all souls that may be here, as you know, I pray to our Creator to possibly help you if you need help. I ask that you trust and believe to come forward. Yeah, EMS go mental. I call upon our Creator in heaven, and I ask that He help any and all souls that may be lost, stuck, being held against their will. I don't know how they lived or died. I ask you to help these souls to ascend to unity, to heaven, to be at peace, to be out of this darkness and sorrow, to be with their families.
Took me from my mum.
I ask you, our God in heaven, to allow these souls to ascend. Amen.
Amen.
Did you hear that? It
Yeah.
took me from my mum.
Yeah, I'm wondering whether it's Jane and the daughter. Because I feel he was killed first, she created, and then he killed her as well.
Souls, if you can hear me now, you must ascend from here. May our Creator have mercy and take you from this place. Okay guys, I'm going to pause you a sec.
Especially when you
Okay guys, thank you for watching this one. Enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Very
definitely
creepy
need to come
guys.
back here again.
Yeah, we definitely are coming back. The area is vast, it goes in all directions, so if Steve can't be with me then I will come, not to this place, but I will go along the roadside where I feel that many people were found in the bushes, so to speak.
Yeah, there was one that I picked up on which was a car accident
Yeah.
on the corner of a junction.
So, God bless each and every one of you. Steve says good night.
Right, thank you.
How did you get here?
We've got the same message on the intro.
Yeah.
I know we've got it on the
See you all soon guys. Be safe.
Take care.